Welcome to Ziba Academy. Chart.js tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will simply gonna learn how to create chart using Chart.js. Start with writing HTML code. Heading and chart container, with width and height. Below write script tag with some code of fetching dummy data from Excel sheet passed to the as array buffer whole data get transfer. Then start fetching data from array, sheet name, worksheet, JSON data, header, slicing data rows. Initialize array variable like labels, datasets 1, 2 to store, get values from. Apply for each loop to push labels and dataset. Data rows, which appears to contain subarrays or objects. For each row, it extracts the first element, row 0, and pushes it into the labels. This code initializes a Chart.js bar chart by first selecting the HTML canvas element with the ID myChart and obtaining its 2D rendering context via getContext, 2D. It then creates a new chart instance named myChart, specifying the chart type as bar. The labels array provides category labels displayed along the x-axis. The datasets array contains two objects, each representing a dataset, dataset 1 and dataset 2. Visual stylings such as background color, border color, and border width, and additional options like stack to enable stacking bars vertically, and bar thickness. Configures the chart's display options, making it responsive and allowing the chart to resize freely without maintaining a fixed aspect ratio. Under Plugins, It customizes the legend, it is set to be visible, with label styling and more. This code configures enabling them with enabled true, and styling them with a semi-transparent black background. The text within the tooltip, including the title and body, is set to white, and the tooltip has a white border with a width of 1 pixel. Padding inside the tooltip is set to 10 pixels for spacing around content. The display colors false option hides the small color boxes typically shown next to each item in the tooltip. Code configures the chart's title by enabling its display with display true, setting the title text to 2 data sets, and styling it with a font size of 18 pixels and bold weight. This code adds the chart's axes, animation, and layout settings. The scales, object settings for both the X and Y axes, that displays either the first element of the headers array or defaults to labels, styled with the font the The animation object sets a duration of 1000 milliseconds and an ease in outbounds easing function for smooth chart transitions.